Want to learn Solidity, the programming language of the Ethereum blockchain? Here's some solid facts to get you started. Solidity was created by Gavin Wood, the co-founder of Ethereum, and is named after the English word solid because it aims to create solid contracts. The first version of Solidity was written in just 6 days. Talk about a coding sprint. Solidity is Turing complete, which means it can solve any computational problem, but also makes it prone to infinite loops. So, be careful. The petrol in Solidity's gas and petrol pricing model comes from the Dutch word for petrol as a nod to the Ethereum team's Dutch roots. If you're familiar with JavaScript, you'll feel right at home with Solidity. It's been heavily inspired by JS and even shares some similar syntax. Now that you've got a solid foundation, it's time to dive deeper into the world of Solidity. Start with online courses, tutorials, and practice building your own contracts. Good luck and happy coding!